अरे पीछे थोड़ा।
अरे वैसे पलटा के खड़ी है क्या?
रहीम को बोला रूट, रहीम को बोला रूट, ये देख। रहीम को बोला रूट, ये तो न्यूज़ वाला रूट वो तो बोला ऐसा ही खड़खड़ खड़खड़ फ्लैश मारोगे तो मैं चली जाऊंगी। अच्छे से लिया देख। सेंट रेगिस होटल। हाँ फिनिक्स के बाजू वाला।
खुशी फिर दे। अंशुला
अंशुला
वेट।
खुशी जी।
वेट
ऊपर।
साथ में हाँ इसलिए पैर ही नहीं दिख रहा है।
एक साथ में खुशी अंशुला
एक साथ में
नहीं
आप नहीं कौन है रे? उधर कर लेंगे बाद में।
और पीछे
सेंटर
पीछे बस
पैर की तरफ
थोड़ा बूढ़े। नहीं
बस
एक ही बार डिसाइड किया करो पूरे। बहुत बढ़िया।
मैडम बिगड़े
ये छोटू को फोटो नहीं मिली।
मैडम
छोटू आगे जा। हैं? अनिल कपूर का
थैंक यू
थैंक यू
धन्यवाद
कोटी
मंडल आभारी आहे।
नया कलर
और पर एक्सपोर्ट कम कर।
कौन है रे? उधर कर लेंगे बाद में।
और पीछे
सेंटर
पीछे बस
पैर की तरफ
थोड़ा बूढ़े। नहीं
बस
एक ही बार डिसाइड किया करो पूरे। बहुत बढ़िया।
मैडम बिगड़े
ये छोटू को फोटो नहीं मिली।
मैडम
छोटू आगे जा। हैं? अनिल कपूर का
थैंक यू धन्यवाद
कोटी
मंडल आभारी आहे।
mode.
Industries Limited, about what was it like collaborating with a genius like Nachiket Barve and putting together such a beautiful show.
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much for this show. Thank you very much, everybody, for coming here. RELAN is introduced by Reliance Industries, and Reliance Industries is the largest integrated producer of polyester in the world. While we cater to the clothing requirements of the Indian population, we also strive to develop new generation solutions for the very demanding and modern consumers. So RELAN is a step forward for that. So this is our significant step that we have taken. RELAN has various verticals. We have various type of scientific solutions for the demanding consumers. Some are like antibacterial products where there is no odor and the person feels fresh all the time. Then we have great recycling solutions towards sustainability, like Reliance recycles 1 crore bottles like this on a daily basis to produce 50,000 tons of the recycled fibers, which go in the kind of collections that you have seen just now over there. Then we have solutions for the fabrics where you have wicking property in the fabric so that the sweat on the body is evaporated and the skin is dry all the time and comfortable. And what we have seen here just now is a great collection made out of RELAN free flow products. So these are the products where you can talk about aesthetics, you can talk about comfort. They are very nice to drape, they are very nice to fall, they are just like second skin. We also have products like dope-dyed colors, like jet black colors. They are the blacks, like blacker than the black, and so on. So what we have seen here, RELAN completely transformed into great collection of comfort, drape, fall, and aesthetics. And I must compliment Nachiket for putting together this wonderful collection. And this was amazing. And Janvi, thank you very much for coming, for your presence. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Nachiket, we'd love to hear from you about your collection. You always have a special theme brewing, and this time around as well, you've picked such a great title, one that is looking at the millennial generation, and somebody like Janvi, who is the next millennial generation. We'd love to hear from you. What was it like creating this collection?
As a designer, I've always believed that it's great to be inspired by the past, but we shouldn't live in the past. We exist in the present and especially the future. And the idea was to sort of look at the style of the legendary queens from the 20s and the 30s, the Maharani of Cooch Behar or the Maharani of Kapurthala, who really wore Indian fashion in India very nicely, and then wore Western couture when they were abroad, wore the best of jewelry, so they were real taste makers then. And the idea was to take that from the past, not recreate it, because what is the point then? But to create it for the generation of today. I mean, I think Janvi's played the perfect muse to this, because she's somebody who's got great taste. I'll vouch for that. She's somebody who's, is well traveled, needs clothes constantly, but doesn't want to be weighed down by it. She wants things which are comfortable, functional, beautiful, which can be worn as separate. So if you see the collection, there was a lot of jackets which you can wear with gowns, just things to wear with sari. So there's no more Eastern and Western or Indian or foreign. It's really like one giant mishmash. And I think that's where style emerges from. And as far as the fabrics go, I think they become the beating heart of any garment designer's work. And I couldn't have found a better partner than Arilan, because I think they really look at future, they look at technology, they look at sustainability. They also look at, so it was not a collaboration which was last minute or cosmetic where I just said, okay, fine, let's do this. I went with them, sat with the mills, we developed special things, and that's where the collection came from. So for example, there's a beautiful 48 kali jacket in the show, which took something like 18 meters of fabric, but weighs hardly like maybe 200 grams at most. So, these are the kind of clothes which I think appeal to the women today, which have the best of artisan skills, craftsmanship, but at the same time cater to the generation of now. So the lehengas have pockets where girls can put their phones and chewing gum when they go for a party. And, I think it's been the coming together of really a wonderful partner as far as the raw material and the fabric and the ideation is concerned, and somebody who plays muse. So there's science and there's poetry, and that's where I think the collection comes from. Thank you.
Couldn't have said it better, Nachike. That was such good. I mean, the dedication really showed on the runway. So congratulations for such a great show. Janvi, more than anything, you've always been talked about for your sense of fashion. We love what you were wearing today. It's so easy flowing. It's so stylish, and you look so comfortable throughout. What was it like walking for Nachiket when he reached out to you and saying that I would love for you to be my showstopper? We'd love to know.
I was flattered, of course. I was extremely flattered. And I remember when he first came to see me, he showed me a few pictures of his collection and he told me what it was about. And I was so fascinated because I have a sort of, I don't know, a weird connection, and I'm very fascinated and taken by, vintage things and the kind of visuals and aesthetics that he was talking about. Whether it was to do with Gayatri Devi or Dolce Vita or that entire segment of Maharanis and the kind of lifestyles that they lived, and giving that a contemporary twist. So I was very taken by all of that, and then he showed me my outfit, and at first he showed me, I think, a swatch of the fabric, and it had all of this work, and I was like, yeah, it's stunning, and in my head I was like, I'm going to trip and fall on my face because it looked so heavy. But then when I tried it on, and I think the credit of that goes to Arilan Fabrics, and it was so light and it's so comfortable, and I think the reason I was confident on the ramp today, I hope I seemed confident, but I think that the reason I felt that way was because of how comfortable I was in this outfit and how pretty you made me feel.
Just add to that, so it was like a great opportunity for her to do a catwalk debut, because it's one of those beautiful, memorable moments that last forever. And I think the idea was to sort of make it look timely yet timeless. And I think that's where the free flow fabric really came into play, because it's literally like a collaboration, because you're speaking to a girl, understanding her mindset, and then creating it, rather than just sort of putting it out there and saying, hey, this is what it is. It's good to look like the Maharanis, but not to be weighed down by kilos of fabric, I think.
So true. Thank you so much for that, Nachiket. I'm going to open the floor to questions. Media, if you have any.
So Janvi is wearing a beautiful royal blue blouse with, resham work embroidery in free flow. There's a gorgeous free flow dupatta in like a sorbet pink with very fine pearls. I've taken away the border so it doesn't sort of age it. And then there's a color block lehenga, which I think is a beautiful new trend. So it is feminine, but it also goes for day and evening. It's something which you can really versatilely wear many times. And I think that's what she will be able to give an opinion on better, perhaps. Fabulous.
My personal style. Honestly, it comes down to comfort for me more than anything else. Yeah, for sure, comfort. But it also changes according to my mood.
Janvi, first a stellar Bollywood debut with Dhadak, and then your ramp walk with Nachiket. Did you take any tips from Khushi, because she's into modeling and all for your walk?
I didn't take tips, I took her blessings. But no, she came backstage as soon as I got done with my walk, and I was like, did I look nervous? Was I okay? And I was palpitating, but she was like, no, it was okay. So if she thinks I'm okay, then I'm happy. She approved, yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone. We request our entire panel to come to the front. We'd like to take a couple of pictures with you.
क्या memories जुड़ी हुई? अभी जो झगड़ा हो रहा था ना मैक्स को लेके, वो सबसे खूबसूरत memory है Black में. Actually, no, that's not. I think the feeling will be very different on the ramp of Lakme Fashion Week and in that film. But I'm enjoying this. I don't know what I can say about that till I experience it.
You just made a debut on the runway. When you were hitting the runway, what was going on in your head?
I hope I don't trip.
Okay.
नचिकेत ने बताया कि महारानी का जो थीम था एंड यू आल्सो सेड दैट यू आर वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड विद दैट. कोई ऐसी बात, मतलब क्यों ऐसा लगा आपको, या किसी से आप इंस्पायर्ड हैं?
Gayatri Devi ji. She's so beautiful and she has this inherent sense of elegance, and not only her, Grace Kelly थी जो कि मोनाको की प्रिंसेस थी. एक खूबसूरती था उनमें, और एक एलिगेंस थी, और एक अदाएँ थी उनमें. तो
A sense of style that you have picked up from your mother.
I've picked up from my mother.
I think it's genetic, and it's like, you know, I mean, you really, her mom had the most amazing style, and she definitely has her own style. It's not like a replication of that. I'll answer on her behalf as a fashion designer. I think she's got a style which alternates between casual, comfy, and then really dramatic, and I think she aces both looks perfectly.
Jani, do you like a glamorous look all over the top, or do you like to keep it simple and chic?
I think I like to keep it simple.
Jani, 3 tips for
Guys,
youngsters,
last question,
please.
Thank you.
3 tips for youngsters.
Yeah.
I don't think youngsters these days need tips. I think the only tip that I can give is to be fearless and wear what makes you feel beautiful and not worry about what other people think.
Thank you so much. Thank you.